Hi and welcome to session 6. The Sanskrit word for health is swasthya, which has the root words swa, which means self, and sthya, which means place or home or abode. So the word swasthya suggests that health is found when the self resides in its true home. When mind comes into body, when you are connected with yourself, merged with the flow of life, then mind and body relax. That's why body awareness is so helpful. You're becoming more aware of how stress is experienced in the body, and this awareness is deepening your relaxation. So let's continue bringing mind to body as we practice today's session, where you'll notice sensations in your whole body, but particularly in your hips and pelvic area. Now, the hips and pelvic area is a part of the body that is often outside our conscious awareness for much of the day. And we also have conflict, shame, and taboo associated with this area. And consequently, this is an area where stress is often hidden away. So in today's session, bring your attention gently to this area. And if this evokes any thoughts or feelings, as usual, just notice them and then letting them go. Return your attention back to the body. So let us begin by taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the body, to the contact between body and floor. Experience the full weight of the body. And mentally scan your body from head to toe, noticing, experiencing the whole body. Now moving from your feet upwards, exploring any sensations of stress, tightness, discomfort. Starting with your left foot. Right foot. Left ankle. Right ankle. Left shin and calf muscles. Right shin and calf muscles. Left knee. Right knee left thigh, right thigh, moving your attention to your hips and pelvic area, going deep inside. Continuing to breathe and taking your awareness to the right side and left side of your hips and deep into your pelvic area. Moving your attention to the abdomen. Your chest. Moving your attention to the breath, experiencing the rising and falling of the abdomen, and noticing any tightness in the breath. Moving your attention to the back. Right arm, left arm, shoulders, back of the neck, neck and throat, your whole face. Your whole head. head and face. Now noticing your whole body. Noticing if there are any other areas of tightness or stress. Moving your attention back to the contact between body and floor. Notice the contact of air on the skin. Notice any light shining through the eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. How was today's session for you? At this stage, you're still building awareness, so don't try to force anything. Just keep noticing and experiencing. And so before your next session, every now and then, bring your attention to the hips and pelvic area and notice the sensations there. Also notice any emotions that come up. And then just let them go and bring your attention back to the body. And continue these guided meditation sessions. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 7.